How to fix Crunchyroll login error. First, if you're having any kinds of login error on the Crunchyroll app, what you want to do is you want to simply completely close the app first, and you want to simply check for your internet connection. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. And if you still can't open your application and log into your account, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your web browser over here, and you want to simply try on the browser. You want to simply type in Crunchyroll over here, open the Crunchyroll website, and by doing so you want to simply log into your account over here. If you're still not able to log in from here, you'd be able to contact the support team as well from here. If you scroll down, you'd be able to find an option called Contact Us over here, and simply tap on that Contact Us options over here to contact the official support team of your Crunchyroll app. Here you want to simply tap, here you'll be able to see a help center option, and there you'd be able to contact the team. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.